Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Afrizal Sapiro Ramadan Asaf, and I'm gonna presentation my final project is a design application software, Geographic Information System (GIS), for searching medical facility and medical specialist based on Android. My first advisor is Mrs. Reni, and my second advisor is Mr. Haryadi Amran.
Background: a lack awareness of information about health of medical facility and medical specialists make a poor health service. Poor health service can make a poor treatment in patient, also make some patient condition worse and death. By using the application to simplify user to get information for right medical specialist and medical nearby to user. Research purpose: help to the user to find nearest medical facility and medical specialist detailed information such as facilities, full address, and list of available polyclinic, helping the user to find the doctor information which includes location, practice schedule, and time operation, helping the user to overcome queuing problem by booking online. Formulation of the problem: 1. How to make application that can help user finding medical facility and medical specialist. 2. How to maximize the accuracy of GIS method for medical facility and medical specialist search application by utilizing Google API and GPS device. Problem limitation: 1. Making web and Android-based application. 2. The application use a constant internet connection. 3. To use a GIS feature, the device must have a GPS. 4. Does not discuss a data security on the server or client side. Methodology: study reference, data collection and analysis, system design, system implementation, system testing and analysis, then conclusion. Diagram system: this picture is a system walk in general. First, user will be using a desktop or mobile app, then they processed by the front end using a bootstrap and generally helped by the Google Maps API to locate the position of the user and the medical facility. Then input from the user will be processed by the backend by PHP, and the input will be saved in the database using a MySQL. Next is the diagram database use. All of this database will use in the application from tabel jadwal, tabel dokter, tabel kecamatan, tabel rumah sakit, tabel kelurahan, tabel login, pelanggan, and user. Application user: a user interface of homepage. This will be the first time user will be see a homepage page where the user will be see a red dot as the user location and the view a blue dot as the medical facility nearby the user. User just can look at the detailed information by clicking of the blue dots. User interface of list health facility: this where all of the data facility will be shown for the user looking specific medical facility or medical specialist. When then after clicking will be shown after the detail of the medical facility or medical specialist which it been choose. Next are user interface of detailed facility. It here will be shown all information of detailed medical facility been chosen, from the email, number phone, schedule of the doctor work there, from what hours and for what day, and will be shown the route from the user to the medical facility itself. User interface of nearby facility. In here, from the first page, the home page, user can interact with the map from the blue dots. With after clicking will be shown as the picture will be shown of information, and the button of the detail that medical facility itself will be straight up to the detail of facility have been chosen. Next, user interface of route from user to facility. From detail medical facility in the bottom will be shown map from location user to location of the medical facility will be shown as A marker dot as the user and B marker dot will be the location of the medical facility itself. User interface of login for user. This page is interface for user to log in for their account. After login, user will be brought to the dashboard, which in here they have two options. First, the user can change the information after their registration, or in a user interface of history user, where user can save up their disease history will be used the record when they go to the medical facility to help them for their treatment. Next, application admin, user interface login for admin. Here, the login exclusively for the admin. Only admin can enter here. After the login, admin will be brought to dashboard where our information of the amount data has been saved into database from ranking amount of the medical facility saved, a medical specialist been saved, and amount of schedule has been saved in the database and the user itself. After the dashboard, next is the data user admin. Here will be save all data of the user has been registration from the application. Next is the data facility admin, where all of data medical facility has been registered by the admin for the app, and the save of their location so from the main homepage will be shown up for the user to use. And next is where all admin editing of schedule of the medical facility itself. In here, admin can editing, add a new one or deleting the old one of the schedule from the medical facility has been registered in this application. In the end, the conclusion of this application, the flow and the appearance provided by the application can be easily understood by user both from the main page and the web administrator. Second, application can be accessed using a variety of devices ranging from the computer, laptop, tablet to smartphone that have only 4-inch screen or more. Next, health facility data and the doctor data display in this application can make it easier for user to find a nearest health facility and can see the schedule of the doctor in the health facility. The user can see the schedule of the practice and directly contact the health facility and doctor-related practice. The user can see the shortest route from the user coordinate point to the health facility the user is headed for. And then, access speed of the application performance will depend on the server and internet network or the data packet used to access it. That's all for my presentation. I apologize if there any information is not enough to explain in this presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.